Growing mint is very easy. Not only mint, any kind of herb can be grown in your garden. It is a fast growing plant and gives a lot of fragrance when it is grown at home. It is pesticide free, which is found in the market. With your other vegetables, you buy a bunch of mint leaves. Do not throw away the stems, and you may even find small roots in the stem, and you can place them in the soil and beautiful mint plant will grow in your pot. You can even place the mint stems in a glass of water, and after a few days you will find well grown roots will come out from the stems, and those stems can be placed in the soil. And so I have done this few months before, approximately 1 month before, and so the plant has grown so well. And today I will trim off the stems and I will place them in another pot. For growing mint, I have taken no specific soil, but you can grow mint in any kind of soil. Just simply take your garden soil, sand and some amount of manure. Placing those stems in the soil is very easy. You just make 2 to 3 inches of cuttings and simply you place them in the soil. Every year I grow a lot of mint in my garden, and sometimes it happens that it remains all through the year. Only during the winter time the growth comes to a stake. Roots do not grow deep down into the soil, but it is better to take a wide pot for mint growth. The plants grow much dense if we trim off the stems, and there becomes a dense growth of mint. Keep it under full sun, but if you have high rise in temperature in your region, do not keep it under sunshine, then the leaves will burn. Keep it under semi shade. As in our area we have monsoon all the year, and the monsoon has begun in our region, so I keep it under sun and do not water the plant even a day. There is never pest attack to this plant, and you need not spray any sort of pesticide. This is even used as a mosquito repellent plant. So this is how, friends, you can grow mint in your garden. It can be used in all kind of dishes. It can be used in your food and even in your drinks, as in iced tea or virgin mojito, whatever you like. So that's all, friends, about mint you can grow. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.